quero morar numa casinha feita à mão, uma floresta onde eu possa plantar o que eu quiser e andar de pé no chão.
Hey guys, Catty here again from Cattyland. The summer wasn't really good here, but anyhow I had some friends over, my best friend actually with her 2 daughters, so not everything could be work. We also wanted to play a little bit, and because I didn't have so many games at home, we built some games ourselves. You can check out this video about Ludo. No, I think it's called Ludo. And we played another game. Maybe I might show you if my dog lets me. It's called Möckli or Mölki. Check out this picture from internet. So what we did, we didn't buy the game, we built it ourselves. Therefore, first of all, we got some big, well, more or less big eucalyptus trees from which we could cut the pieces we needed to build this game. So, first of all, we got the trees from the forest, then I cut them into the right length. Yeah, more or less all the pieces are in the same length. Then we had to skin the pieces, take off the bark basically, and we made them a little bit beautiful. Now they are already a little bit older and they have been outside in the rain, but you see it doesn't really affect them. And we prepared 12 pieces, and on each piece you put a number. And you prepare a 13th piece. This is actually the throwing stick. You can find the rules for this game on internet. It's actually quite fun to play. Once you have prepared it, you put it up in this manner, as you can see, and then you have to throw with the throwing stick, and the numbers are counted in a specific way. As I said, I'm not going to explain you the rules because this would be much too long for this video. I just want to encourage you to maybe build your own game. Just try it, get some wood from the forest. Please, if you can, use a tree that is already fallen down. No, don't cut a growing tree. And then you can prepare your own games to play at home. It's not only fun to play, it's also fun to prepare it. Okay people, thanks for watching. Keep it real, keep it healthy, and keep it peaceful inside and outside. See you soon. Bye bye.
Eu quero morar numa casinha feita à mão, uma floresta onde eu possa plantar